Hi Jen, my name is Christina. I'm with Casey Phoenix SEO. Told you I'd get you this video over with 3 tips on how to set your company above your competition. We're going to be talking about content, citations, and backlinks today. Just jumping right into it. Content, the average website needs 1,000 to 1,500 words in order to be optimized with Google. You guys at Westwood are sitting at about 400. When I do a search for deck repair Kansas City is the keyword that I was talking to you about before. Approximately 140 people a month are searching that. And this is what we call a buyer intent keyword, meaning that they're looking for those services. So that potentially means that you guys are missing out on 140 customers a month by not being on the first page of Google for this keyword. So when you look at a search, you'll see first we've got the ads here. That's what people pay for to get up at the top. But then down here we've got the organic searches. Once you get past the content of Home Advisor, BBB, and Yelp, the #1 spot belongs to arrowrenovation.com. So I pulled up their website, and they're sitting at about 700 words on their homepage. And I just copied and pasted this into a word counter to see how many words they had. So they're beating you out there just by getting that 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage with some of those keywords built in. Then you'll be able to start ranking higher. The second thing we're going to talk about is the next visible section in a search. And that's right here, the Google Map Pack. Sometimes people only use Google Map Pack to find services, so it's good to rank up here. And you'll notice that it's a different company than what was ranking organically first down here. So to get listed in the Map Pack, what you want to do is get citations. In order to get citations, you're going to submit your information, including your business name, address, and phone number, into different directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, CityStar, etc. So I have a tool here I'm going to show you. It's called whitespark.ca. Costs about $30 to $70 a month depending on what plan you pick, and it compares you to your competitors on how many citations you have. So you see that Casey Contracting was in the first place. They have 9. Kansas City Deck Builders was in the second place. They have 10, but what's probably going on why they're not beating them is because the 9 that Casey Contracting has are probably just stronger citations than what Kansas City Deck Builders have. And then you guys have 5. So what I would do, my suggestion when it comes to citations, is get yourself listed with a lot more than what your competitors have. So they have 9 and 10. Then I would go after at least triple, so 30, 50, 80 citations, and make sure that you're really beating them out. That way, even if they start getting listed in other places, that you'll be ahead of the game instead of trying to play catch up down the road. And the other great thing about this tool is you can actually click on your competitor and see where they're listed, so that you can go get listed in those same ones, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. The last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. So we call this link juice. It simply works like Site A points to Site B. Site A is the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's kind of like a popularity contest. So the more sites that you have linking back to you, the more popular you are, the higher you're going to be ranked. That being said, though, link juice is more effective if you have a relative site linking back to you. For example, a blog post specifically about, let's say, bathroom remodeling or deck repair or home remodeling of any kind is going to bring you a lot more authority than a blog post about pizza, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So you want to make sure that you're getting relevant backlinks to what your niche is. So another tool I'm showing you today is called Ahrefs, another one you can go out and get, called ahrefs.com. This one's a little more expensive, costs about $100 a month, but it really breaks down what your website's doing. So it looks like your guys' website might be a little newer, which is why it's not showing any data here. But right now it's not showing any referring domains and any backlinks, so that's why you're not going to be ranking. I pulled up your competitors, that Arrow Renovation in that #1 spot, and they have 127 referring domains with over 4,000 backlinks. So that's why they're in the #1 spot. And they have over 1.3 thousand keywords that they're ranking for also, meaning 1.3 thousand different kind of searches. So the reason why you want to get Ahrefs is not only to keep track of what you're doing, but you can keep track of what your competitors are doing. Go in here and see where they're getting their backlinks from and go after those same backlinks. Because, if it's working for them, it'll work for you. We call that the copycat method. Backlinks you'll get from like different blog comments, blog posts. Those citations will count as backlinks also. And it's just anywhere where your website's listed that's going to come back to you. So in closing, we talked about content today. So your strategy would be to add at least up to 1,000 words on your homepage, but try to probably shoot for 1,500. And then citations, at least tripling the amount of citations that you're listed for in those directories. And then last, link juice, making sure that you're getting effective link juice by getting relative sites that have to do with renovation to come back to your web page. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, give me a call at 816-323-4100. Again, my name's Christina with KC Phoenix SEO.